I had a dream of building a comprehensive women's center, and as we started interviewing builders, actually Synergy was the second builder we actually interviewed, and in the first meeting I knew exactly these were the folks we wanted to go with. They took it to the level of not just constructing our women's center, but they actually helped with the title, had to chase it from Chicago down to Texas and then back here to Dayton. So they helped me and gave me lots of advice in putting the LLC together and the business portion of the project together. And then when the opportunity actually came up at Huber Health Center, where our second location is, the first people I picked up the phone to call were the folks at Synergy. They were able to construct each office in that women's center based on each physician's needs, and they were able to take our family practitioners, our surgeons, and create an environment through their construction and design to help each physician in their process flow. And it was always it was a different nuance for each physician, and they were able to take that and look at the process flow and construct the perfect office settings for us. They really have their head in the healthcare environment, and that's not an easy thing right now. In the last, I've been in practice for 23 years, and I can tell you my first 15 years of practice, things were moving fairly quickly, but with all the healthcare reform in the last 5 years, it's at Mach 10 speed. They know what's going on in the Dayton community when it comes to healthcare, and they've actually brought partners to us in some of these projects, just with their connections in knowing folks in the medical community. It's been a 10-year relationship that I can't imagine not having. You know, I feel very, very blessed and very lucky that for whatever reason I was brought to them as we built this first project, and they've actually become friends of ours. We've been so successful in the projects we've done, and I've now done four different projects with them, and I couldn't imagine doing my next project without them. I consider them business partners. And when I saw the value that the folks at Synergy brought to us building that first project, I just decided right off the bat that when we did Cornerstone 2, they were going to be a partner in that project. And they've been a partner in every project since then. And again, I can't overemphasize, it's not just a developer, it's not just a construction crew that comes in. These guys are truly business partners. They help us get the best financing, they help us put the partnership together, and when we make a decision to move forward on a project, we are looking to have it done very quickly. And it's amazed me at any time we were building out office space for anybody, it literally was a 4-month process, and that was it. And it was 1 month of getting it through the city or the county or wherever we were, and then getting the financing and the partnership together, and then the construction itself, literally 3 months. The folks at Synergy came to us and said, hey, what do you guys think about expanding this into an urgent care and physical therapy and ancillary things that the hospital actually needed in that location? And they brought that idea to us, and we just took off and ran with it. I couldn't have done that without their influence here in this community. With a single practitioner or a large group system, they will walk you through from step 1 to step 2. And they'll think of things that we don't think of. And they'll look at our process flow, they'll look at our needs, they'll look at the personalities of the deal they're putting together, and we'll start with everything from the partnership to the financing to the construction. There's no way I could have done that without my partners at Synergy.